can't find the end.
Let me do it.
Oh, I much prefer to do that.
No.
It was the night before Christmas.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Now today we've got, it's going to be fun, isn't it?
Well, I think I would say it's fun if it was December.
Yeah, it's not quite December, but you know, it doesn't hurt to get your Christmas spirit.
No.
No?
It's like a week after Halloween. Like 4 days after Halloween.
I like Christmas, so I'm doing it now. We are going to make a new fireplace. Now, last year we made a fireplace, which I hope you've all watched and enjoyed. We found that we used normal cardboard boxes, didn't we? And they were quite bulky. So this year we have gone for fruit crates. They're really sturdy cardboard, and when they're up against the wall, they're a lot flatter, aren't they? So it doesn't stick out as much. It's just not as bulky.
Yeah, last year we didn't stick them to the wall, but we had to like put it.
Yeah, it was a bit wobbly. So these are quite. We can weight them from the inside if need be. So yeah, but it's really good cardboard. So what you're going to need, as many of these as you can get, or as many as you want.
You've got that.
Depends how big you want to make it. We went to Sainsbury's and there's just stacks. Every morning there's stacks. So, boxes, whatever size and how many you need. Some paper, we have gone for red.
I read velvet.
We got this in Poundland. They're 4 metre rolls for £1. Because last year we did grey and white, didn't we? So this year we're going to go for more traditional reds.
Not green though. But we're gonna have like.
We got the green tree out this year instead of white. Anyway, you will also need some scissors. We've got normal sellotape and some thick tape
Duct tape.
from behind, like to do from behind.
Yeah.
I've got the cable ties ready because there are little holes in this that it might secure it, but we don't know. We don't know if we're going to use the cable ties yet, do we? So, first things first, work out how many boxes you need, put them up, see how you want it to go, and cover the boxes.
Yeah, I'm good at wrapping.
Yeah, let's wrap the boxes. Okay, you move over a little bit, Monkey Moo. Okay.
I'm gonna speed this up, I think.
I will speed this up
Yeah,
because they're going to find this very boring. And let's go.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
Okay, so we have 5 boxes. I'm not going to lie, that was probably one of the most tedious, boring
It took
things
about 40 minutes.
I've ever done. It wasn't fun. It was pretty boring.
It was probably like just a for you. It took like 40 minutes.
Yeah, it did take a while. Okay, so I have, these ones are slightly smaller than these ones. So, okay, so the bigger two are going to go across the top. Now this is going in my hallway, so in a minute we will move out to the hallway.
Yeah.
So let me just double check. Right, those are the right ones. Okay, so Harriet, you put those over there for me.
Just hit me with the boxes, it's fine.
Take that. Gently, I'm not rewrapping, never. Okay, so the thicker of the two are going to go across. Or did I say No, these two, I want them back now. These two are going up, right? Like so.
Oh, and if you're doing this, you need some paint, any colour of paint.
Yeah, we will get to the paint a bit. Okay, so these two I need joined together.
Joined together?
Joined together. So I'm going to try and do it from behind. Here, look, let's, no, you can see that really crappy. I know this is, it's so difficult.
Well, you're not going to see it, so it's fine.
I know. So we need to join these two.
And get some really like sticky tape because it doesn't really stick to cardboard and all.
No, we had to try with the scissors,
Yeah,
didn't we?
that
So
just came off.
if you can you get me some of that? And we'll join. I did get the cable ties in case, but
That's like kind of see-through, like.
no. Do you know what? I'm gonna just make some marks. Yeah, because it's a bit fluffy. There we go.
How much do you want, like a big piece or just
Well-
like a small piece?
About that for now. Because we want to do as much on the inside as possible, don't we? No, that's long enough actually, baby. Santa's little helper. Thank you very much.
Put one more.
Might make some longer ones.
Oh,
I mean, I will, of course, here.
nearly as tall as me, that bit of tape.
It is, isn't it? That's a very long bit, isn't it?
You
Okay.
said a bigger piece.
Okay, so we'll put that down there, right in there.
Is that big enough?
Yeah. Have one more big one, or maybe not one more big one.
One more big one? Yeah, one more.
Yeah, let's do it down on the inside of there.
I think that might be big enough. That wasn't big enough, was it?
No, that's fine. That's fine. And then what I'm going to do, just with the normal clear tape, I'm just going to go around the join.
Should we move out the way because I'm in the way all the time?
Yeah.
And you. Good hack for tape that Mum just told me that I didn't know. Fold the end so it doesn't get stuck.
Always fold the end.
That's why it takes me about 100 days.
Yeah, spend half the video looking for the end of the tape. Okay, right. Let's put this down.
Okay, more tape.
Yeah, we're just going to go down the middle.
Where's
There's nothing you can do about having a seam in the middle, but by the time we finish, you're not really going to
Or
notice.
just get a really long box, like a really long
Well, we
box.
did actually last year for the top bit. We used a Christmas tree box,
Yeah.
but if you remember rightly, someone fell on it after Christmas, so we no longer have the long top.
Okay,
Right, if you can push these two together,
so I fell on it and it didn't do much damage, and then Zoe tripped over it,
Yeah.
my other sister.
okay. Now we can flip this over. There we go. And we would never hold it,
Do more
but
legs.
it just stabilises it. Okay, let's cut that. And we'll see you in the hallway. Okay, so we're in the hallway. Bo's hiding. If you can get me some tape ready. This box we thought we'd make like a little chimney stack flue, because we didn't do that last year. Put that out there. Right, Bo, if you can pass me some tape. I don't want too much tape everywhere. Thank you, back. Thank you. If you can just go down the side with it though. Just like that. And then I think we should do a little bit just up here, attach it to the banister so that it stays nice and flush. Got it? Put another bit up. About here, I reckon. There we go. Right, now for the fun bit. I need a drink. Hold on.
Wait.
Tired. Okay. Scissors can go over there now. We have both you run in there and get me a sponge. Some paint. Now I'm going for a glove because my nails are quite nice there. I've just had a sponge thrown at me. And again. Just normal washing up sponge. Okay. Pardon? It is clean, yes. Didn't clean the toilet. I did clean up that. Okay. Glass and nails. Okay, so we are going to make some little bricks and try not to ruin my carpet.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Okay, so this is brickwork done. Not perfect. I'm going to go around the top with a little bit of black, just as like a lid, maybe.
When everything's white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night. It's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. You dazzle us all, from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Feeling alone, kind of.
Okay, we have finished. We have used a little hat there that one of the girls had when they were younger, and some bits of twigs and stuff that we found. We've got our little elf doll there ready for the little elves to come, and we haven't got all our Christmas stuff out, so I've just got a couple of little bits there just to make it Christmassy. But that is our finished fireplace. Much more Christmas stuff to come. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share the video, and make your own fireplace. Bye.